MICROMAX Canvas 6, and let me show you how to set up this device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your welcome panel. Here you should find your desired language. In my case, let me use English from United States, for example. You can also here choose emergency to make some emergency calls. If you are ready, let's go back and now let's use this next key. You can also insert SIM card, but you can also activate your device without the SIM card, so let me do it that way. Let's tap skip for now. Here you can also select Wi-Fi network. It's not necessary, you can skip this point, but the Wi-Fi network enabled a few interesting things, so let me enable the Wi-Fi network. Let's tap done. The phone is obtaining IP address. So now this can take up to 2 minutes. The phone is checking connections. Alright, so here you can sign in into the Google account. It's not necessary, but the Google account enables a few interesting things. So let me do it. Let's connect my device with the Google account. Alright, let's tap next. Now it's time to enter the password. Alright, so if you are ready, let's tap next. Tap agree to terms of service and privacy policy. The phone is checking info. Let's wait a few seconds. Here you can set up payment information, but you can also choose no thanks. So let me tap no thanks, tap continue. So here you can protect your phone by using some kind of a screen lock, but you can also tap skip and do it later in setting, tap skip anyway. Here you've got some Google services that you can enable or disable, for example, backup to Google Drive. You can use Google's location service. You may help improve location services and help improve your Android experience. Let me leave all of them enabled, tap next. And that's it, the welcome panel pops up, tap got it. So everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.